Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
They applied it and it worked. And so they brought it down to Biafra land and apply. Of course, you apply what works. You will only apply what works. So they brought it down and splitted us. Splitted us. Used Biafran uniform, used some of our flefus, and did some things they did to our brothers. And then the locals now saw them doing that thing and speaking that language and said, yes, they're Igbo. They are the one killing my father. I saw them. They killed my father. They're Igbo. Division. Tactics. Tactics. They applied it. It worked very well. And then the father told the son, you see that people? Never you do have anything to do with them. They are the ones that killed my father. And then the child passed it to his own children. And that is how they kept us divided. And come to look at it, who is enjoying our state of foolishness and confusion? Who is enjoying? The enemy. The enemy is laying pipe from Calabar to Manchester. The enemy in Zamfara is the one claiming oil in Olobiri. The enemy is in charge. Who is calling me now? Please don't call me. The enemy is the one enjoying your division. They are the ones that owns 98% of the oil wells in your land. And yet, some of our sleeping morons will still jump out and tell you, Igbo na your problem. Igbo won't come take our oil. Igbo do this. Igbo do that. And you look at the Igbo, you begin to wonder. These people did not take you out because you feel you are minority, that they told you that you are minority. You can imagine somebody came from far away, foreign land, to come and tell you who you are, that you are the minority. But you have been living with your brother centuries. He have never called you a minority. Not once did that name minority appear anywhere on our land. Because you can't just be a minority in your own father's land. It doesn't make any sense. We don't know anything called minority until they came. Until tomorrow, we don't know anything called minority. Because I cannot live in my land centuries with my fathers. Oh, goodness me. And suddenly, I become a minority. That is why Franco Pigo to tell you that actually we were living as a family. One big, beautiful family who understands each other's boundaries. There was peace in our land. That is why Franco Pigo was able to sing that song. He sang that song because he knew himself. He knows himself that he is a Biafran. So he sang a song praying for Ojukwu, who is the military leader of the Biafran army. He sang a song praying for Biafra because he understood, he knows himself. But the generation today, a lot of them are living in fool's paradise. Delusion and moronic stupidity, which other name to qualify such kind of identity crisis? Which other name do you qualify a man who have lost his knowledge of his own self, who doesn't know himself? Confused person. That is why we need one love to set us free. That is why we need to begin to go back to our history that they stole from us, so we can be literally set free. And we can be free indeed, just like my Biafran warrior queen. You can see the joy in her, discovering that this is who I am. For real, this is who I am. I can't be anything else than what I am. That is how to be free. That is just how to be free. The remaining freedom about our religious freedom is going to come when Biafra comes. That is why those who feel hurt when I come in that religious aspect, please don't be hurt anymore. I am not doing it to hurt anybody, because I am just exploring everything that brought us to where we are. Everything that made our society a confused society. Everything that will make a mother in the church bring out her breast for someone to suck. Everything that brought about all these things. That is why I began to look into them. Not because I am a religious bigot or I just a sentimental. No. It's something that has not been working for my society. I need to look at it. I'm a critical person, because God has created us to use our beautiful mind, not to just follow everything. It's time to begin to know things and not just follow them because they were handed to us. That's the reason why. But because the feelings of a lot of my beautiful people here are hot, I decided to drop it. I decided to drop it for now. And then on Sundays, those who really want to hear about those things, those who are not hot when they come to listen to it, can come there on Sundays. But the weekly days, I'm not going to talk about nothing about it. No, not again. If you observe, I have toned down, like I promised a lot of us, that I'm going to tone it down because of how their mind is still conditioned. So I don't want to hurt feelings. I hate to do that because I love you. I love you from the depth of my heart. I love you and I respect your feelings. I respect your feelings. So please don't come on Sundays. Just leave it for the few of us who don't feel somehow when we listen to our Dr. Ray Higgins. I am learning on the go. I am learning. I don't know anything. The only thing I know is that I know nothing. Nothing at all. That is why my heart is so open for new information, to learn and to be better, and to see clearly why our society is the way it is. I learn while I'm here with you. You guys are teaching me. I am learning. And that is how I expect everybody who wants to be better to come with an open mind. Come with an open mind so that you get better, because a lot of things were hidden from us. They literally took history from us. And that is why our society is the way it is. Because, of course, you can't begin to try to argue with someone when you have nothing to argue with. You can't at all. There is nothing for us to argue with. So the best thing for us to do is to have an open mind, to begin to learn so that we can be better. Those who hate us doesn't want us to have some informations. I'm telling you the truth. Those who has kept us in this state of confusion, in this state of identity crisis, will do anything to withhold information from us, because information is power. You can't keep an informed man down. It's not possible. That is why we should be hungry for more. We should be hungry. We should try to at least let these feelings stay somewhere. Let these feelings tone down and let me look at this thing. Let me look at everything. Let's keep these feelings down. We have been living with all these feelings and it has not changed anything for us. And nothing has changed. You can't be doing the same thing expecting a different result. No. We should do things differently. And how can you do them differently when you don't know nothing about them? That is why we should apply our heart to new information and don't allow this cognitive dissonance to come in our way. To come in our way. We must continue. One love keeps us together. One love. All we need is one love. Don't you ever see me as someone attacking you in any way. Don't you ever see me as coming against you too hard. No, I am not. I love you. I love you from the depth of my heart. That is why I'm making these sacrifices I am making every morning, every day. Every day I wake up from sleep, the first thought I have is you. My thought flies to you. That's the first thing. Right now, my back aches. I have backache. And I'm grateful to one of us who made it possible that I have a chair, where an office chair where I can sit on and lean my back. I was literally suffering from back pain. Serious one. Although it is not clear right now, but at least it is better because the back finds rest now and my neck can rest too. And I will forever appreciate the one who made it possible. I want to say a big thank you. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. You're an angel. You can't be less, but always remember that it all borns out of love. Love. Love is the driving force. Love is why I decided to pick up the Twitter. I could be anywhere. I could be doing anything else. But no, the passion in my heart for my freedom. And that is why those who felt bad when I kicked the other men out the other day for coming with structure, please do understand me. I don't want us to be going back and forth. I want us to be focused. Why I did that is I am so I don't just understand it, how with all what is in place now somebody can talk of structure. But what I fail to see is that man has a name, Tamara. That is what I fail to see. But yesterday when I had meeting with my brothers in Clubhouse, we talked about it and my eyes went to that angle and I saw it. Because these our brothers from the coastal region, most of them are far from what has been going on. So they don't know. They don't know. They probably, this guy took up what he got from a criminal. So when they come here, I will open up to them. I will let them, and then we will now educate them and bring them to what is on ground. But I don't think I will tolerate that from my upland brother, because you ought to know better. You ought to know better. That is why I won't let you. I won't let you. If your name is Chukwebuka, your name is Emeka, your name is Ifeanyi, and you come here to talk of structure, I'll kick you out. I'll kick you out. But when I see Tamara Fubara, of course, I need to take it easy with you, so you can come to where we are, and then we can continue from there. Thank you, my beautiful people. I love you so much, and we will take that song. We will take that song because it is one love. That is all we need to push down the wall, the remaining line of the wall that is before us and Biafra, so we can have this unity of the broomstick to pull it down. We must continue.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.